Right, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw a community frequency curve and then use it in order to get some information from the graph. So it says the results of a mathematical examination are shown. Complete the table. So we've got 2, 5, 8, 6, 3. So 2 people got between 0 and 20, 5 between 20 and 40, 8 between 40 and 60, 6 between 60 and 80, and 3 between 80 and 100. In order to draw the community frequency graph, we consider all the people less than 20 is going to be equal to 2. All the people less than 40 is going to be 2 plus 5, so that's 7. All the people less than 60 is going to be 2 plus 5 plus 8, which is going to be 15. All the people less than 80 is going to be 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6, which is 21. And all the people less than 100 is going to be 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6 plus 3, which is 24. So there were 24 people altogether. Right, we're given the grid. We're asked to draw the community frequency curve. This is the table that we need. So I need to plot 20 against 2, 22, 40 against 7. So that's going to be there because that's halfway between 6 and 8. 60 and 15. 80 and 21. And 24 and 100. So make sure you plot the points carefully. Join them up with a nice smooth curve. And then it says, use your graph to find the median and the interquartile range shown clearly on your graph how you have obtained your answers. So for the median, we want the halfway values. The halfway of 24 people is 12. So here we draw a line. We take that line down and we read off here. Each one of these little squares is 2 units, so it's 52. And there would be like plus or minus 1 of getting that right. So the median is equal to 52. For the interquartile range, we want halfway between the median and 0. So it's going to be 6. We call that Q1. And then we need Q1 will be 37 when we read off. And then we're also going to need Q3, which is halfway between 12 and 24. And read off, we get 69. The interquartile range is the upper quartile, Q3, minus the lower quartile, which is Q1. So that gives me 69 minus 37, which is equal to 32. The pass mark of the exam was 55%. Use your graph to find how many students passed the exam. So we need to find 55%, which is here. Draw up a line to our graph, read off, and we see we get 13. That doesn't mean 13 people have passed the exam. In fact, it means the opposite. 13 people have actually failed the exam. Because these have failed, these students have passed the exam. So the number of students who passed the exam is going to be 24 minus the value that I got, which gives me 11 students. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to draw a community frequency graph from a frequency table and then use it in order to find the median, the interquartile range, and the pass mark for an examination. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.